Natural hair lovers, today as always I bring you another amazing recipe, and it is aloe vera powder. You heard right, we're not doing aloe vera gel today, it's the powder, and I will also be showing you several ways you can use this for your hair and also for your skin. Stay tuned and watch this video till the very end. So watch along as I explain the whole process of making this aloe vera powder. First, you want to harvest your aloe vera leaves. After you've done that, you soak for about 5 minutes to get rid of the aloe. That's the yellowish substance which is not very good, or which is not so good on our hair and our scalp. Just see my fresh aloe vera, so big and very fleshy. After you've done that, you go ahead to remove the serrated edges and you slice thinly. Emphasis on thinly, so your aloe vera gets dried on time and perfectly. While we watch along, we always mark register on this channel. To our returning subscribers, I say thank you. To all those who are seeing this video and this channel for the first time, do well to subscribe so you do not miss out on any videos or recipe that will be posted on this channel. Comment, like, and also share. After slicing, you go ahead and spread it out on any surface you deem fit. Here I'm using a tray because I will be using sunlight to dry my aloe vera plant. You do well to arrange, do not overpack whatever it is you're using. That way the aloe vera gets dry very well and fast. So this is the one of me drying my aloe vera plants using direct sunlight. You know your aloe vera plant is properly dried when it sounds and looks this way. Now that we have reached the final phase, it's time to blend the aloe vera powder into a fine consistency. Blending it ensures that it's smooth and easy to incorporate into different hair care recipes. This aloe vera powder is incredibly versatile. It can be mixed in water and used as a hair spray, and also you can even use it for homemade face mask. It promotes healthy hair and moisture. On this note, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I truly appreciate all of you for supporting this channel. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, let me know in the comment section if you'll be making your own aloe vera powder. And when you do, don't forget to share your reviews and feedback. See you in my next video.